What's going on, YouTube? Coming back at you with another video. Today, I'm getting ready to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I got this from Samsung, so this is the Note 7 Appreciation Note that they took $425 off the price if you turn in a iPhone, older S models, things like that. So I had a S6 Edge Plus sitting around here, and that's what I'm going to send back to them. But they shipped out early, so we're going to get into this unboxing. I'm going to do this one-handed because, as you guys know, I like to hold the camera while I film. So I already sliced open the box. Haven't been in it yet, but I am going to get into it now. Using my trusty unboxing scissors. Yeah, buddy. Who cares about that anyway? Let's get into it. So we got the box here. We got some packaging. Great and beautiful. Thank you for keeping my stuff safe, Samsung. We've got the shipping information here. Let's get up on that real quick. Thank you, blah, blah, blah. Whoa. Wait a minute, 256. I thought they were only supposed to give the 128 on the website. It said 128. Maybe they are giving us some extra appreciation. All right, so we got the wireless charging pad. Let's get that out of there. So this is the brand new one, the newest one, wireless charging convertible pad. See what we got here. It folds down, fast charging, QI inductive technology. That's awesome. Pause that one if you need to read all that good stuff. Cool. Comes with the Type-C and the fast charging brick. Perfect. Wonderful. Great. What we all wanted to see. File that. So let's see here. Oh, wow. So it really is 256. So on the website, when you got to choose what gifts you wanted, it was only the 128. Appreciate that, Samsung. I already have a 256 that you guys gave me the last time, so I'll have another one. That's great. Perfect. I'll take that all day, every day. Might have to put that in one of my new laptops I'm going to get. 256. That's basically a 256 solid state drive there. Nice. And what we've all been waiting for here is the Note 8. There it is. In all its glory in the box. Let's look at the specs on the back. So I got the T-Mobile version here. And pause it if you need to. We all know and love what the Note 8's got coming for us. So we're going to get into this. Push that back. All right, here we go. Here we go, folks. Even though this has been unboxed thousands of times on YouTube, this might be the first one that gets unboxed from Samsung. So let's get into it here. Got that sleeve there. File that to the side. Pretty sure I'm going to have to cut this open. That's why I kept my nice little trusty unboxing scissors here. Let's get that cut open here. You can check out 256 as I do this. All right. Oh, wow. Look at her. Nice. ahead and get this out of here. One-handed action here. Just gonna do like that. There it is. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. All right, let's get in here. Great, wonderful. SIM card. Literature. Charging brick. Your transfer tool. And we got an adapter there. A little bit different from the S8 unboxing. We still got the black cord there. AKG headphones, which these are very nice, I might add. A little bit extras we got here are the tips for the note and the tip holder tool to pull those out. And we've got good old-fashioned ear tips for the headphones. Nice. All right, let's file that to the side here. And we're going to take off this front plastic on there. Nice. See my light fixture up there. And we're going to go ahead and give it a first boot. See me? There I am. There it is. Not too bad, not too bad. So there it is. Note action. Got 70% charge. I'm gonna get my other phone backed up. But yeah, this thing is nice. I've got the Orchard Gray. And there we go with the camera module with the fingerprint sensor and the heart rate sensor. Starting to focus in on that. So there it is, folks. There's that Galaxy Note that we've all been waiting for. So just a real quick unboxing. Don't want to keep this too long. We've got our box content there. As you can see from the Samsung, I got the 256, which was supposed to be 128. I'll take that. Wireless charging, convertible stand, and our note. Signing off, folks. Appreciate you watching the video. Like, subscribe. Hey, even dislike if you don't like it. Can't please them all. But I appreciate my subscribers. Like I always say, when you rock with me, I rock with y'all. Peace.